Now, if you're looking for some true wireless earbuds that are going to give you 6 hours of battery life, 21 total hours of usage with the case, have great call quality, audio quality, and guess what? Have UV cleaning? Well, you're going to want to watch this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at the LG Tone Free. Let's check them out.
Like a snowflake falling down on a summer day, it's just amazing.
So we're back from CES and we have another amazing product to share with you on the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the LG Tone Free. These are true wireless earbuds that have some unique features. So we're going to take a look at a call quality test, EBPMAN style. We'll talk about the audio features, and we'll also talk about the unique feature that this earbud has. It has this feature called UV Nano, which means as soon as you put the earbuds inside of the case, a UV light reduces the amount of bacteria that the earbuds have. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, before taking a closer look at the LG Tone Free True Wireless Earbuds, let's check out LG's website so we can learn more about the product. Now, one thing that sets this product apart from many of the True Wireless Earbuds on the market is the UV Nano technology. So literally, as soon as you put your earbuds in the case to charge, they're going to go through a UV cycle that's going to reduce the bacteria on your earbuds. That sets this apart from any other earbud that we reviewed on the channel. Now, the LG Tone Free come with 3 ear tips that are going to allow you to personalize your wearing experience. And these are very different from any of the other true wireless earbuds that we reviewed on the channel. They don't go inside of your ear, but they rest on the cartilage, giving you all-day comfort. Now, these earbuds have competitive battery life rated at 6 hours and a total of 21 when you use a charging case. But these earbuds can also be used independently. So you can use one in one ear for 6 hours, put it away, and then take another one for another 6 hours and put it away, giving you 12 hours per charge if you use them independently. Obviously, if you use them together, you're going to use them for a total of 6 hours, and then as you charge them in the charging case, you'd be able to extend that usage to up to 21. So very flexible use. Oh, and by the way, you can use them independently also for phone calls. Again, extending the battery life of these earbuds. Now, another great feature is the quick charging feature for these earbuds. In any event that you were to extinguish the battery on these, if you were to use them up completely, all you have to do is put them in the case for 5 minutes and you'll get an hour more of usage. Now, the earbuds also feature an IPX4 rating, which is going to make them okay to use in a gym setting. So if they get splashed or sweat, you have nothing to worry about. Now, inside the box, you're going to find your LG Tone Free, USB-C cable, 2 additional ear tips, as well as a user guide. Now, the Tone Free travel case is very pocketable and convenient to use. So as you take a look at the case here, you can see how small this is. You do have on the side here a USB-C charging port. And then over here you have the LED that's going to indicate when you're charging and also when you have it plugged into charge. The case itself, as you open it up, the earbuds are magnetically locked, so you don't have to worry about them falling out in any place. And then also, as you put them back in place, they lock in really nicely. So really flexible. Now you'll notice that it goes in a little bit deep on each side, and that's because the UV light is going to kick in and it's going to do that cleaning when you put them into charge. Now, as we take a closer look at the earbuds, you'll notice that you have 3 contact points that align with the charging case. You do have a left and right indicator, and you have a sensor that indicates when it's on your ear. You'll notice that the actual earpiece does not go in your ear deeply. It's one that rests right by the cartilage of your ear. You do have some buttons here, but they're not physical buttons. They're tab buttons, which make them really easy to wear because you're not really pressing hard into your ear. Now, I'm going to put them on so you can see what this looks like. So I'm just going to put it in and twist it a little bit. And as soon as I put them on, I get a little audible beep or tone that's letting me know that they're in place. Now, notice how they just rest on the cartilage. They don't really go really deep, so you can see each one of these, how I'm wearing them. And the nice thing about this is if you've worn earbuds and you've put them in and you kind of twist to lock and they go really deep in your ear and you're finding that the shape of your ear just doesn't work with them, then this may be the earbud for you because, again, these don't go in your ear canal, they rest. Let me just remove it slowly so you can see. See how they come out? So they're not really deep. They're just sitting on this area of your ear. I'm just going to put them just like that. And they're set to go. Now, the thing about these, though, is that you do get ambient noise. So you're able to hear everything that's around you because they're not going in your ear canal. But that may be good for many of us. Now, they are Bluetooth 5.0, as we mentioned, and they have great range. So I've been using them from long distances. I've been able, in my home and in crowded areas, had no problems with connectivity, no issues with syncing, Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, everything stays nicely synced. And I've been able to walk away quite a distance, even with walls, and still maintain a connection. So the thing I like about these is, first of all, the comfort and the fact that they don't go in your ear, and then also the fact that I can hear what's going on around me. So the next thing we're going to do is talk about the audio quality. Now, as we talk about audio quality, one of the things I highly recommend is that you install the LG Tone and Talk app. Let's take a look at it right here. A couple things that I like doing is I like changing from normal to bass. Now, the normal, I thought it did a good job representing the audio that I was listening to, but it just didn't have the kind of bass and fidelity that I was looking for. And as you change these, not only will you experience a different music quality, but you actually get an audible confirmation. For example, if you choose bass, it's going to say bass boost. If you choose flat, you get flat mode. If you choose treble, you'll get treble. And as I do each one of these, I literally hear a difference in the audio quality. So in the treble mode, for example, you're going to experience much brighter music reproduction. The bass and the mids are high, but not as present and not as overwhelming. When I choose bass boost, which is going to be my preference, I get good bass, but the bass isn't really overpowering what I hear. So the mids and the highs are still present, but I find that it's just more enveloping, and given the fact that they're open ear model and I can hear what's going on around me, it gives me a better soundstage. If I choose the normal mode, it sounds good, but it's not as immersive as I'd like it to be. Now keep in mind that because these have an open, kind of open ear model where you can still hear what's going on around you, others, depending on the volume, can't hear what you hear. So if you're playing the music loud, other people are going to hear it. But in the bass mode, which is my preference, I think that you get the best audio quality. It's immersive, the soundstage is good, you hear good music separation, so I'd prefer this over all the others. Now next we're going to do a call quality test using the LG tone-free true wireless earbuds in a quiet environment. Let's take a look at my decibel readings. So you're looking at anywhere from 22 to 25 decibels of noise. Let's go ahead and switch.
Now, this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the LG tone-free true wireless earbuds. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Let me know what you think about the call quality in a quiet environment. Next, we're going to go into a noisy environment.
So now we're making a phone call in a noisy environment, simulating 360 sound all the way around us. This is coffee shop, street type noise environment happening. And as you can see here, the decibel readings are a little bit more higher. So you're looking at an average of 49 all the way up to maybe even 79 decibels. We're going to switch to the LG tone free.
Now, this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the LG tone-free true wireless earbuds. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Let me know what you think about the call quality in the comment area below.
So guys, that wraps up our review of the LG tone-free true wireless earbuds. Let us know what you thought about this product in the comment area, and make sure you subscribe. We have loads of products coming from CES 2020. See you in the next one.